Hello guys, welcome back to another video. The program for today is write a program to merge two given array and sort the array in ascending order. Consider this two array as an input. We have to merge these two array and sort it in ascending order. For example, if we sort the array, it will print the output in ascending order. So 1, 2, then 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 23, 56, 89. Likewise, the output will get printed. Consider this example as an input. Here, they will not mention the array size. So we will not get the input as an array. We have to bought it as a string and we will convert to array. Consider this is a string and this is a string. After that, we convert to into array. Let's copy this as input 1. Let's begin with our program. Here, yeah. After that, I declare a empty string S3 and declare a empty string S4. I declare three array list for the only one array list needed. So I remove this. These two are not needed here. I declare array list AL3 equal to new array list. After that, I iterate a string 1 up to its length. It will check. I store it in another string to remove these brackets. So if s1 dot character of 0, it check s1 dot character of 0 is this bracket. So it will continue. Continue means it skip the current iteration. So it will go to 1. For s1 dot character of 1, s1 dot character of 1, which is 4. So it will store s3 equal to 4. Then s1 dot character of 2 is comma. So it will add, it will not go there. It will come here and store concat with previous string. Comma will get added to s3. Then like s equal to 3. S1 dot character of 3 equal to 8. So 8 will get added. 9 will get added. Comma 1 get added. 2 get added. Comma 5 get added. 6 get added. Comma added. 2 added. Comma added. 8 added. After that whole iteration, S3 will like this. We remove this bracket, this opening bracket and closing bracket. After that, it will like this. After that, we declare an array using split method, which will separate the string using comma. So it will store error of 0 equal to 4. Error of 0 equal to 4. Error of 1 equal to 89. Error of 2 equal to 12. Error of 3 equal to 56. error of 4 equal to 2, comma, error of 5 equal to 8. Likewise, it will get stored. The same procedure will repeat to string 2, which is this. I just copy this. The same method, the open bracket and close bracket will be removed and it will get stored like this. It will remove this bracket. It stores these things like that. After we using split method, it will get stored like this. Like error of 0 here is 23. Error of 1 is 5. Sorry, here the array name is error 2, like so error 2, a of 2, 5, here 7, then error of 3, which is 9, which is 1. So likewise, the second array will get stored. After that, I adding the array elements to a array list. AL3 we declare earlier right here. And it is an integer type of array list, but the array is string type. So we have to convert it integer, convert the string to integer. So we use integer dot percent of error of I. So so array list will add each element by each element of string to array. First, it will get added to. After this iteration, the array list will begin like this. It's array dot length up to this array. This array dot length, it will get added the elements to the array list. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. After that, it will get added second array list. Already array list add these elements, so it will remain same. Continuing, these elements will also get added. After that, I use collection.sort of array list 3, which will get sort the elements into like this, like ascending order. After that, the output will be print like this. Shall we run the program? I copy the same input. For S2, I give this array. It will merge and sort the array in ascending order, like 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 12, 23, 56, 89. Yeah, the output will come. Yeah, that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. I leave the program solution in the description. Kindly check it. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.